Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports, where we've just acquired this Nissan Juke in part exchange. It's not that type of stock really, because it's been recorded as accident repaired. I have seen the pictures, I can show them to you, and to be honest I do not know why it's accident repair. It really was just this driver's door dented in, and whoever's repaired it's done a fantastic job. That's all it was. I can show you the pictures. Yeah, apart from that, cost absolutely brilliant, great value for money. Tyres are in excellent condition. It's had a cam belt change. Bodywork's stunning. You would not tell it's been in any type of accident. Boot area is in lovely condition. Parcel shelves there. Seats are in lovely condition. No structural damage at all, as you can see. It's 160,000 miles. Starts up perfect. Got satellite navigation. Bluetooth connectivity. Different driving modes. 6-speed gearbox. Multifunction steering wheel. 60,775 miles. Reverse camera. Balls in a USB. Yeah, really is a good looking car. Does not look like it's been an accident. So it is priced very low, to take that into account. Can't do finance on it, I'm afraid, because of that marker. If you have any more information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.